Hey guys, Mr. H, I'm doing question 19 from the August 2026 Algebra 1 exam. All right, so basically this is just testing your understanding of what a function is and how to map a function. So this is not a calculated question. So this is how I teach my students. And it's kind of with mixed success. I always tell them when they're trying to determine if something is a function, they should always just blot this out because what happens over here doesn't matter. What makes something a function is what happens over here. Oops, I need a little cleaner. Is what happens over here. So here's the rule. If every input has one arrow, it's a function, period. It doesn't matter where it goes over here. It doesn't matter. That's why I cross it out. If every if every input has one arrow, it's a function. If it doesn't have an arrow, it's not a function. If it has more than one arrow, it's not a function. Every input has to have one and only one arrow, period. It has to have one and only one. That's why they say that, right? So this is a function because each element in the domain maps onto one and only one element of the range. That's the definition of a function. And I still see students looking over here and going, oh, it's going to two are going to the same output. That's okay. So look, start doing this whenever you have a map. Cover this part up and just look at the input bubble. That's it. Like that's it. That's the definition. Every input has to have one and only one arrow. If it has more than one, it's not a function. If it doesn't have one, it's not a function. All right, done. Let me stop and post.